See y'all, this is why I can't be great and record. You see me trying to do something?
Hey y'all.
Welcome to my channel. Hey y'all, and welcome to today's upload. I thought that I would share with you guys another TEMU haul, but this time it'll be shorter. So one of the main things I wanted to share with you guys is if you don't have TEMU, right, you want to go ahead and download the app. In my description box, I'm giving you guys a $100 coupon bundle code. So you're using the link, but you're also using my code FAVE79211 to not only get that $100 coupon bundle, but you also get like a certain percentage off of your order. So if you look down in the description box down below, you will see that and get that. The link is here on the video throughout the entire video. So without further ado, if you're new here, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you and welcome back. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscription button down below because I got more content rolling out soon. So here it is, the box that they sent me today. Literally just came in the house from eating out and going to get a couple of groceries, and I came home and the package was sitting outside. So there are two items in here that I really wanted to share with you guys because I felt like a lot of people probably, you know, don't know exactly what TEMU is all about, right? So TEMU is simply just a whole vibe to me. If you go on there, you can find whatever it is you would like. This is exactly what TEMU looks like. If you guys are scrolling, TEMU has like fashion, they have like gadgets, they definitely have like purses, shirts, dresses, skirts, you know, like little knickknacks like bags and stuff like that. So TEMU is something really, really good because the prices are reasonable, they're cheap, and you also, you know, can get a lot of great things for your money. So like I said before, use that code in the description box on that link and you can get yourself something as well. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you guys the items that I picked out, which is why TEMU sponsored this video today. And if you don't know, now you know. The first thing that I got in this package here is a LED neon sign. This neon sign is basically for ages 6+, and it is just a neon sign that I ordered that simply says the following message when you take it out of the package. So this is a new style that has a USB powered with switch. I recently last year got sponsored and bought Sky one, but hers is Hello Kitty that you guys see here, but this one is strictly for myself. I found this one on TEMU and I just had to grab it. This one says hello gorgeous, right? So it comes wrapped up so that it doesn't get destroyed on the way here. The one thing I love about it is that it has these holes where I could put it in the wall and then it would sit there. You also could, you know, like put this up against pillows or whatever if you know, have all that space and have an outlet behind you. So like I said, it comes with the USB. The good thing about this is that you easily just turn the switch, and I'll show you guys here what it's like once you plug it up. The lights are very bright, they're very colorful, and I love the fact that it's clear and white and I can put it on the wall. The one thing I'll say about this product is when you're not using it, unplug it. And of course, before every time you turn it on, just definitely check for any damages towards the device, and the power cord should be unwound when the device is turned on to avoid overheating. And you also want to realize that the LED elements are non-replaceable, so an attempt to do self-repair on it may result in electric shock, and that's not what you want. But this product should be placed in a safe place, not exposed to any mechanical damages or anything like that. And the other item that I wanted to share here with you guys that TEMU was nice enough to sponsor is a little storage shelf that simply is in the color amber. So I did amber just because, and I want to take it out to show you guys the color, and I will show you guys the full setup. So the reason why I chose amber is just because brown and like the tan kind of goes better together with things, and I feel like with the amber color it was just something that would have been much better. So here it is. It comes wrapped up, stacked. I just simply took it out the package, and then I'm just unwrapping it here. So like I said, I got the color amber, which kind of looks like a tan or like a brown. And eventually what I'm going to do is have them stacked up on top of each other like this here. And this is just a light luxury shelving home organizer that is good for like makeup, lotion, cleansers, perfumes, and toiletries. My plan was to use this in the room with like all of my sprays, my Goli gummies, and you know, just like my little knickknacks. So of course they're just thanking me for the purchase. You can do like a single layer if you want to, and like kind of layer them as you guys see there, but you also can do double layers like you guys see here, and it teaches you how to do like the 3 layers. So I only have, I think I only did the double layer, and so I'm gonna put it together and then just show you guys how and what I came up with as far as what to put on here. Alright y'all, so this is what it turns out to look like once you've put it together. The only thing that I need to add is the 2 pieces here, which are strictly just the handles. And the easiest way to put these in is just to measure it to go in together down at the same time. Alright y'all, so I decided to put the sign right here. So like they said, you need to take this apart so that it does not get all tangled up. You want to go ahead and plug it up into a USB. And then as simple as 1, 2, 3. Alright y'all, so this is the idea that I came up with so far. These are just the little simple things that I use on a daily as of right now. So I could put all my little chapstick up here instead of in my earring area and just let that be. But anyways, that's the idea I came up with for this one.